Buksan mo ang iyong Gcash account. I-click mo lang ang Pay Bills dito. Click Loans. Search for Billease. Click Billease. Open your Billease app and check how much you need to pay. Go back to Gcash and type the loan amount here. Please remember that a service charge of 15 pesos will be deducted from your Gcash balance. Go back to Billease app and click here to copy your loan ID number. Enter the loan ID number that we copied from the Billease app. Type your name here. Type your phone number here. Type your email here so that you can receive the receipt of your payment later. Click this box to use G-Insure to protect your payment. This is the posting period for Billease, which says the next business day. There is an additional charge to use G-Insure. If this is okay with you, click the next button. Click Yes, Get Bill Protect. On this page, you can double check the details you have entered. Make sure all the information here is correct. Click the Confirm button. Gcash will now send your payment to Billease and you will also get a receipt. And that's how you pay Billease loans using Gcash. Till next time, thanks for watching!